If you want to change your Braun thermometer from Celsius, like it is now, to Fahrenheit, it's easy to do. First of all, we need to make sure it is off, so hold it down to make sure the machine is off. Then when it's off, we want to hold down the power button and keep holding it. After about 3 or 4 seconds, you will see it will start cycling between Celsius and Fahrenheit. We need to let go when it goes to Fahrenheit, or if you want to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, let go when it's on Celsius, and then it will flash up in Fahrenheit, and then it will turn itself off. But then after that, every time you turn it back on, it will be in Fahrenheit, or whatever you choose. So watch this now, turn it on. Got it held down. Still holding, and now you can see Celsius, and it will say set, and then it will say Fahrenheit, and then it will say set, then it will go back to Celsius, and you just let go. Let go now if you want Celsius. I'm going to keep holding, I'm going to let go on Fahrenheit. So now it's going to be Fahrenheit, it's going to turn itself off, but now when we turn it back on again, it will be in Fahrenheit from this point forwards. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.